Hi guys, I'm Sindhu. I'm currently a first year computer science student at University Science Malaysia. Coding is fun because you get to create something that works, which is interesting, and also it makes you a creative thinker. Today in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make a simple jumping game using the Scratch. Let's get started. First, I'm going to choose my character. I'm choosing cat as my character. Also, I'm going to make this cat's position at -166, -105. Now we want this cat to be in this position when the game starts. Not to forget, we're choosing the backdrop, blue sky. And now to make the character jump, we're going to change the X value and the Y value. Y value to make it jump higher and X value to make it move while jumping. I'm going to put this in a repeat loop. Obviously, when it jumps up, it needs to come back down. So for that, I'm going to add this block that will change the Y value to -50. And now we want all this to happen when the space key is pressed. To enhance, I'm going to add a meow sound right here. And it's pretty much done. As you can see. And now we are going to add our obstacles. I'm choosing apple as my obstacle. And now we are resizing this apple to 65. I'm repositioning it to 235, -145. So the game is clicked. I'm going to make this to glide for 3 seconds. 1 second is very fast, so I'm going to make it 3 seconds in a moving motion, and we want that to be in a forever loop. And now we want to stop this game as well. So for that, I'm going to add, when the game is clicked, we're going to wait until the cat touches the apple, and then the game will be stopped. So we are pretty much done right there. To add more fun, I'm going to add another obstacle. So I'm choosing banana, and I'm going to repeat the same steps all over again. So first and foremost, I'm resizing it to 65, -245, -125. And now we're going to make it again glide. By putting it under a forever loop when the game starts. Again, also to stop this game, when the game starts, I'm going to wait until it touches the cat, and the game will be stopped. Now we are pretty much done with the game. Oh, but also since two obstacles are near to each other, I'm going to make it wait for 1.5 seconds, and also going to hide the obstacle before showing it. Also, not to forget to keep count of the marks earned, I'm going to create a variable score by setting my score to 0 when we fail and changing my score to 1 when it jumps. As you can see, also to make more fun, I'm going to add additional sound, the background music. I'm uploading a downloaded music here. You can choose any music you want to. So this will play when the game starts. Now we are pretty much done with the game. So let's see. This is the final outcome. This is the final outcome of our game. I hope you enjoyed learning from this tutorial, and there's actually a lot to learn in this app. I'm a CodeSyster. Come and join and code with me.